Okay, 1st of August 2012. Just got off the bus here. The Gold Coast gang all going on a boat trip today. Tree, Kim and Gary won't be here because they're in Saigon. They were down in Hong Kong. Okay. Ryan. I don't know which boat we're going on. We'll find out. I presume that's the boat in the distance, the big one. Not the little one, the junk. Okay, so it is this one. He's our captain for the day, Casper. Captain Casper, otherwise known as Captain Pugwash. Can't see him here, it's deaf of the post. Okay. So again. Going on now. Here we are, everybody's down. Who's on board? People here I don't know. That's all shot. They get the food on last. Oh, here's Ben arrived and Dave. Missing half of the team getting on there. Everybody's getting on. Let's time this. Hey Ryan. Okay, so I've got everybody now. Only one person. That's me. We'll get some video later. Okay, so we just set off. It's just left 10 o'clock. I believe we're going to Saigon. Wherever that is. No sunshine yet, but hopefully later. This is Causeway Bay. A lot of girls out behind me. Behind us. A lot of girls. Okay. Yeah, these are these two girls. Two young girls, I don't know them. Anyway, we'll have to go and find out where the beer is. Okay, that's Kowloon front. Directly, we're on Hong Kong Island now. That is Kowloon. Sim Sa Choi. Okay, we're just going outside the typhoon shelter. You see? It says Sim Sa Choi over there. Hong Kong Central there. man chai around here somewhere. Man chai at the back of all that, look. Okay, leaving Hong Kong behind, top deck. Guys here. Just getting sorted out now with the food and drink, music. We'll all sorted out. What have we got here? Okay, here's the other side of Hong Kong. Just outside the main drag. Here's the granddad. Fine, so everybody's got the back to us because they're all
their little phones on. Lovely warm feeling. Then she admitted it as well. Too much information. It's disgusting. Drop it down.
We're full. Hi, Martha.
Hello, honey. How about you? Oh my God, that's
Girls.
really, really fun. Yeah. Hold it in. Oh my God. I've lots of spaghetti.
That's some good shots there.
Yeah.
Let's go from this side. Can't get them girls there.
Alex.
Anyway, I said, I don't know what this is, where we're going. Okay, this is the latest toy. Man's here. One of the best views at the moment. Nolene acting daft under. And here's our Martha. That's better view. All the girls up there now. Don't know what it's all about, but this is the scene where we're in. It just happened, obviously. Sorry? They can't swim?
They chip it up.
Anyway, leave it at that, I think. Oh, they got it right.
Sail across the bar and then the punches through and Shek smashed in two. There was blood and a single gunshot, but just two shots proof. Copacabana, the hottest spot north of Havana. Here at the Copacabana, music and passion move with the tension and the color. She wants to love. Her name is Loma. She was a showgirl, but that was. Nasty schools and masters breaking all the rules. Having fun and playing pool, smashing up the windows. All the teachers and the class and the ready trying not to
I like the feeling of you and me.
marche symbolique. On a cette change you. Good at what they can't do, and they hate that. They wanna paint you, and they hurt you, put you in the middle. What they will accept. Don't see what I see, but every time she asks me if I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are, and when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up, don't wake me up. So much life in the city, you won't believe. Been away for some days now, no time to sleep. If your heart is a bell, just off the bed. Tell me what is the music inside my head. Wake me up, don't wake me up, don't wake me up.